Look at Ephraim, Joyce, Suleiman, Waqas, John, Victor, Kamran, Ibrahim, all are enjoying. Akila, what are your comments about these boys? Are they brave, and how difficult is to climb and come back?
All are brave except Ephraim. He's really frightened. It was really hard for him to climb up, and now it's again hard for him to climb down.
What are your comments about your son? Is he brave or he is frightened?
He is absolutely brave, but not for climbing. No.
So you should do his training about this.
Yes, we can.
God bless you all. This is beautiful camp. All are enjoying, and this is beautiful place. We all are blessed.